know what? You know what? You a little piece of shit. You a little piece of shit, cause you don't know the meaning of the word loyalty, nigga. See, all a nigga gotta do is flash a little cash in your face, and you'll ride against the mob, nigga. Nigga, you ain't shit, nigga. We at your ass. You ain't never getting away with that shit. Y'all niggas know who y'all is. We at y'all bitches. Every time we see you, we at
Saw a little cash, motherfucker, y'all was ready to bend. Left the mob for something petty, but then Fetty got thin. Now you back where you began. While I'm living on 10, got in, sitting in the bins with rims, sipping on hen. With Stokes, twisting maize. While you broke, bitch, I'm paid. Should've stayed, but betrayed. Look at the cheddar you could've made. You started with the mob, thought you was harder than the mob, but ain't no one motherfucker larger than this mob. Swear to God, for y'all, C-Ball ain't got love. Now the only one gon' be on your side is this hot slug. Till I'm dead and locked up, I'm throwing my mob up. Cocking buzz till all y'all bitches die for crossing us.
I smell some bitch niggas amongst us. Now they gone, and when I see you on the street, you strapped cause I'm at your dome. Man, that's with or without a mask on, cause I'm a blast on sight. Even if it's in traffic in broad daylight. The only way you live if it don't spray right. But you bought your death wrist, so if I miss, you'll be facing barrels by midnight. And that's on these 4 fingers I hold high. Anybody who crosses my monster family, they die. I holler that white boy James to bless me with some more things. A monster's hard to kill. I stop this off of cocaine. I'm leaving not slanted, no dynasty clicks. Question bitches the bitch. Nigga, your songs ain't shit. They can't even fade. I spit. See the shit.
You're across the mob, so what's up? Ain't go against the nation, retaliation, gotta fuck them up. You're across the mob, so what's up? Ain't go against the nation, retaliation, gotta get them up. Shit, I got the mob, so what's up? With this game, just count and shine and steady, shine and run. Let's put it up, stay together, touch me, and let's play it together. This thing is so close to hard to get up.
When everything is all good, y'all niggas students roll up. But when the shit hit the fan, I watch you bitches ball up. Now your time is all up. Fuck who you called up. My niggas on us. My killers on us. What the fuck you call us? What you say about C-Ball player? Hating how we ball, nigga. We ain't BC y'all and no bomb. I'm gonna up this stain on you. Put this pain on you. No love, my slugs. I put studs names on you. If he with his kids, I'ma blow his brains on him. Change on him. Go insane on him. Kids don't let work and range on him. Rain on him. So niggas respect my rock like royalty. Till I'm dead, y'all gon' dread my love wife and
You know, don't stop in the circle, I'm up in the hurt you with the mob. Keep all of your loopholes, let the trigger work you. But all of you bitches, and all of you hoes, when the ruck comes, thugs better run, shit. Look at what thugs run. See what drugs done when I hug the gun, let it be murder from a loved one. Thought you was down to die, but you been found a lie. So fuck you, can't trust you, gotta bust you. Now you can't hit licks and rush you. Try to flex your muscle, but my criteria overcomes your strategies. Try to make a mob out of please. I can ride on you with money, tea, and a amount of cheese. Must have had a lot of blood in them. I can badly bludgeon them, whoop out all the sudden. But I ain't even studying. Then again, it's on, so I just put a slug in them, dug in them, dead in them, heading them hoes off at the pass. Open up a can of kick ass. Toy with me, loyalty, got quick fast. I roll with straight mob leaners that always carry beamers, exercising trigger fingers on niggas who come between us. Shocking the world, we gun slingers, and we can't